Rotavirus infections. Introduction. Rotavirus is the leading cause of severe diarrhea in infants and young children worldwide. Select true or false. Correct. Rotavirus causes which of the following symptoms? Choose one of the following options. 1. Abdominal pain. 2. Fever. 3. Loss of appetite. 4. All of the above. Correct. Rotavirus is spread through the air by inhaling the virus after an infected person coughs or sneezes. Select true or false. Correct. Rotavirus leaves the body through feces or poop. If it gets on a person's hands and he or she does not properly wash them, the virus can be spread to other people. Antibiotics cannot cure a viral infection. Select true or false. Correct. Antibiotics can cure a bacterial infection. They cannot cure a viral infection like rotavirus. Rotavirus may be prevented with a vaccine. Select true or false. Correct. The best way to prevent rotavirus is to get vaccinated. The vaccine can be given at the same time as other childhood vaccines. Thank you for using Explain.